So here, this video I'm selecting for your SEO writing for title description for your dynamic website purpose. On particular web page, I'm creating for a particular site. If you come into your site, that is called, I can go option call is video tutorial. My YouTube title, my posting title, both are different. My YouTube title, my posting title will be different. Here, the writing will be like this. Select it first. How to earn money with YouTube. How to career and money, earn money with the YouTube. So I'm selecting for this keyword, just I'm clicking for search. How much the search value will be? 7. Means the rare search coming to your website. So no use. So just here, I can not give any particular places. See the search. How to career and earn money with YouTube. What the search will be? Is a course. So the keyword is suitable for your thing. Is a suitable, but is a high volume keyword. So in this one, I'm writing for small one. Cash course. What is the results will be? 3 crores. In this, I'm changing for option call is my area. How much results? 4,840. So this keyword can I using for my website traffic purpose. What is that? How to career and earn money with the YouTube crash course. Select it. Go to admin panel. In this for go to video tutorial. In the dynamic website, nobody using for the cPanel. You're only for using for add video. Your YouTube title and upload title total different. So that is called give me title. Next, see this one. What is that? SEO title, description, and a keyword. Title will be same. I'm writing for add this one. Next one in the description, writing for I'm writing for my author name also. Next, here we're writing for YouTube. YouTube tutorial training career. Done. Next one. So here I'm selecting for this option. For in this I'm writing for the option here. So first I'm adding the URL. First here is your title. Test. Course replace I'm writing for crash training in Madhapur, Hyderabad. In this we can writing for relevant all informations on your description. Why? Nowadays in SEO they consider by only for 2 options. That is the title and the description. Keyword only for density purpose. That is called your website density purpose. That is called we can use option call is title and description will be very important. Where adding your website purpose. In this one, I'm select this option for here. My title will be totally 2019. So I'm clicking for submit. Now user come to here. Refresh. So what is my headline will be? Learn how earning money on the things. Here will be how to career and earn money with the YouTube crash course in Madhav. So this is one I'm writing for a particular video will be different title. So always remember when writing for title will be same. We can't get in the same traffic on your website. In changing for different title, people can consider purpose. Now you're writing for customer services in Hyderabad. Next you're writing for top customer services in Hyderabad. You're changing for location. Hyderabad digital marketing services will be writing for keyword related options. This is very important. So writing for YouTube crash course. The crash course will be 1 month or 1 day. 1 day to learn by YouTube earning and YouTube career. This all we're writing for multiple options using by your title and your description. Any writing on your website, title will be 60 characters, description will be 250 characters. We will writing for up to 300, but the consider by only for 160 characters. We write up to 250 to 300. They consider by only for 160 characters. Is it clear? This is called writing for your website title and description on dynamic on particular page without using cPanel. If anyone asking question, can optimize your website without cPanel? What are the website? Only for dynamic or e-commerce portal that we're not using for cPanel, we're using for admin panel.